Hello dear student, good afternoon to all. So today I am going to discuss our next point, that is phases of nitrogen in soil. So in nitrogenous topic we discuss on classification of nitrogenous fertilizer with their examples and manufacturing process of nitrogenous fertilizer. So today I am going to start our next point related to nitrogenous fertilizer, that is phases of nitrogen in soil. So nitrate fertilizer in the soil added or formed by nitrification may be lost in four ways. There are four losses, that is volatilization loss, leaching loss, denitrification, and used by microorganism and weeds. Okay, so let's discuss one by one. First, volatilization loss. So volatilization loss means nitrogen is lost in the gaseous form when urea or ammonium fertilizer are applied in the soil surface. Also, losses of nitrogen as ammonia, especially alkaline soil. Also, in acidic soil or acidic condition, the nitrites are converted into gaseous elemental nitrogen into nitrous oxide when it comes contact with ammonium salt or urea. So these are the volatilization losses of nitrogen. So see the reaction, how to volatilize that material. That nitrate, okay, so nitrate and urea reacted each other and form carbon dioxide, water, and volatilized elemental nitrogen. So these are the nitrogen loss through volatilize. So nitrate and urea are, if reacted each other, that form elemental nitrogen, that form the loss the nitrogen in from fertilizer. Okay, this is the first phase of nitrogen in soil. Phase means losses. Okay, then see next, leaching loss. So leaching loss is the nitrate fertilizer or nitrate nitrogen fertilizer is lost in drainage or with percolating water, also in humid region or in water, also waterlogged condition. Then losses of nitrate by leaching are significant in arid or semi-arid. Such losses are minimums because in arid and semi-arid rainfall is less, that's why leaching losses is also less. There is second loss, that is leaching loss. So nitrate is very important for leach down, or it is very easily leachable. Then denitrification losses. So denitrification losses, the nitrate may be changed or gaseous form in the lack of air or poor drainage. Also, the biochemical reduction of nitrate nitrogen to gaseous compound by microorganism is called denitrification. So see the definition of denitrification, that is biochemical reduction of nitrate nitrogen to gaseous compound by means with the help of microorganism, that is denitrification. Also, the denitrification loss under field condition, nitrous oxide gas lost in largest quantity. Also, elemental nitrogen is also lost, as well as nitric oxide means nitrate oxide also lost, mostly occurs under acidic condition. So see the reactions, nitrate, okay, so nitrate, then nitrite means converted to nitrate, then nitrous oxide, that nitrous oxide converted to elemental nitrogen and forms lastly their nitric oxide. So that nitric oxides loss mostly occurs under acidic condition, especially acidic condition. That is the third phase, that is denitrification loss. Then next, denitrification loss by used by microorganism or weed. In that, if microbes have ready food supply that utilize the nitrate more rapidly, as well as crop get lost, means crop get about 1/2 of the nitrogen added in the form of nitrogenous fertilizer. Also, weeds may also utilize the nitrate nitrogen added to the soil, and crop may get nitrogen in full quantity. So that is the loss through weeds of nitrogen. There is a four phases of nitrogen losses. Okay, so coming to the next point, that is the management. So management of nitrogenous fertilizer, first for paddy. In paddy, ammonical and ammonia forming fertilizer like ammonium sulfate, ammonium chloride and urea should be used. If not available, then ammonium nitrate fertilizer like ammonium sulfate, nitrate, ammonium nitrate and calcium nitrate should be used. Why? Because in paddy continuous water is flow or it is continuous waterlogged condition in paddy. That's why ammonical nitrogen is suitable. Not suitable, that nitrate fertilizer is not suitable because nitrate fertilizer are easily leached down. That's why ammonical fertilizer is suitable for paddy cultivation. Then next crop, that is for wheat. So for wheat, nitrate and ammonium forming fertilizer, that is calcium ammonium nitrate, ammonium sulfate are used, as well as ammonical and amide sources, that is urea used, that ammonium chloride and urea also used for wheat cultivation. Next management, that is under high rainfall area. So in the high rainfall area, ammonium sulfate was better than urea. Also calcium ammonium nitrate is suitable and urea should be subjected to leaching under such condition because calcium ammonium nitrate are least hygroscopic fertilizer as compared to other nitrogenous fertilizer. So it contains 26% nitrogen and urea means ammonium sulfate was better than urea because urea is a very second topmost nitrogenous fertilizer, that is urea, that is hygroscopic in nature. That's why can also suitable for high rainfall area as compared to urea, as well as ammonium sulfate is better than urea. Then see next, oil seed and pulses. So these oil seed and pulses prefer ammonium sulfate over the nitrate carrier due to the special role of sulfur in their nitrification. It's better because the sulfur roles in nitrogenous, development of the growth in oil seed, it increase or enhance the oil content in oil seeds crop. That's why nitrogen is very useful for oil seed and pulses crop. Then see next, for cotton, so all sources of nitrogen found to be equally effective. Also in a jute, ammonical sources prove superior as nitrogen to possibly due to the greater ammonical sources or nitrogen losses while leaching and denitrification. Means cotton, all sources of nitrogen found to be equally effective, means any type of fertilizer should be suitable, but in that jute, ammonical sources prove superior to nitrate. Also possibly due to greater nitrogen loss, leaching and denitrification, but that is nitrate also leach down easily and denitrify. Then next, other field crops. So other field crop nitrogens are effective as well as for acidic soil, low to lime or calcium continuous use of ammonium sulfate, urea, ammonium chloride, ammonium sulfate nitrate should be avoided. Also if used lime application is desirable. In that acid soil, lime should be desirable as a increase the calcium source of calcium source. Then see nitrate fertilizer like sodium nitrate. Sodium nitrate is best suited for top or side dressing when growing crops need nitrogen immediately. So that time sodium nitrate is suitable. Next management, that is since nitrate fertilizer is easily leached down, they should not applied in the large quantity on sandy soil or if rainy season. Dosage should be applied in installment. The split nitrogenous application should be recommended for that nitrogenous fertilizer. Then in Rabi season, all nitrogenous fertilizer are equally effective and therefore it should be selected on the basis of cheapness. They depend on your price of fertilizer. And last, that is for improved nitrogenous efficiency, apply nitrogenous fertilizer in split doses and incorporating deep place fertilizer nitrogen into the soil. If you apply the fertilizer incorporate into a deep place, that reduce the evaporation losses. Okay, and apply the fertilizer, nitrogenous fertilizer split doses, it reduce the losses of nitrogenous and also it readily available at that particular growth stages of crops. So these are the management of nitrogenous fertilizer. Then see last slides regarding nitrogen fertilizers questions. Assignment question. So take out one notebook and write down the questions and answer regarding nitrogenous fertilizer. So define fertilizer, classify nitrogenous fertilizer with example as well as write down details management of nitrogenous fertilizer. Then define fertilizer, give the manufacturing process of urea in detail. Also give the manufacturing process of all nitrogenous fertilizer in short. Then define fertilizer and classify on the basis of nutrient content with examples with chemical composition. Then write short notes on ammonium sulfate. Then paddy takes nitrogen in the form of dash dash, write down their answers. Okay, if any difficulty regarding the questions answer, can message me or call me. Okay, so thank you.